going to try and take apart this Shark Power Nozzle. It's HZ400UKT. It's the one stabilizers on. But yeah, let's see how we get on. Obviously the bursting front roller. These I usually try and just use a 50p or a 20p coin. Don't do no damage to them. And here we go. This isn't a model I do very often, so I'm just going to as I take the screws out, just check that they're all the same length, because sometimes you can have a smaller one hidden somewhere because it obviously encroaches on some of the inners, so it's important to check. There's usually one that can be hidden because your debris and fluff and everything is hiding it. Yeah, that's the same size, so that's good. They're smaller. There's a smaller one in there, but I will. No, it's a normal size. Even more hidden. There's a lot of screws just for the top cover. Suggesting there's another one, but there isn't. It's just really stiff. Finally. Right. And the stabilizers is 2, 3, 4, and they should, yeah, 2 of them. There we go, that's what's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Just come out. I'm not going to mess about with them too much. Put them roughly back. go for a bit of a slow-mo so you can see where everything goes. See where the light wire went round the belt. See a screw down there, a screw there. Sort of see how that wire, the wires that go up there, and then the wire to the upright switch. Right. Brown closest, grey there, clip, through there. I'm going to take out the light, simply because that should mean that this brush roll section and maker section should see, oh there we go, just see how the rubber seal tucks into there, and that would have done the same, but it's already come out. We'll come back to that, we'll just go through I am noticing that this one takes various sizes. The main big ones is a Torque T20 with a hole in the end, but then a lot of the rest, see, that won't fit. And that one does. It's a mix. So if you're going to ask me what tools do I need, you need to use whatever fits in the heads, unfortunately. It's one of those rare ones that just pop in and pop out. Pretty self-explanatory otherwise. I'm not going to take it apart because you can see that unplugs and those unplugged there. That plugs for your upright, no, that's for your nozzle, your neck. Then I suppose all we got is the wheels. Which they're pretty good. And because I've got a camera in front of me, I'm going to have to pull it this side. Yeah, they're in there pretty steady. Right, and I forgot about this. I'm nearly out of time, so I'm going to have to edit the video down. So there might be bits missed. If you can subscribe and like, I would appreciate. I don't get paid for doing this, and that's why I'm only on I can have a maximum 15-minute video clips on her, so I'm not going to upgrade and pay for everything else because I don't get nothing from it. This is just a helpful guide which hopefully helps some people. Okay. Vega groove belt. Got 2 more screws in there. Again, back to the screwdriver, little Torx T10. You don't necessarily need a hole in the end for these, I don't think, because I don't think this screwdriver set has holes in the end. And then you just got to, once the screws come out, should just be able to push it. There we go. That's your little belt there. Try not to move the rubber seals. That should just slide out. I will say that if your red light comes on when your power nozzle lights up, it goes green to red. Don't presume it's the motor, because most of the time it's that these get hair or jammed down there and the bearings stop. So yeah. I must have one somewhere. And you've just got this little cog here. If I was you, before you do any thinking about changing any parts of these, make sure that this bit hasn't snapped off and broke, because it gets hit. That is common to break and snap. So before you think about motor or brush roll, check that. But again, like I mentioned about the brush roll, just check that this is running free, because these can get clogged as well and they won't spin, and your motor just cuts out because there's too much resistance. But anyway, that's it taken apart.